the tissue.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a chocolate fudge cookie. 1 cup of cashews, 2 cups of walnuts, a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, blend well, scrape down the sides, and blend a second time to make sure everything is blended. Blend well until all the nuts are ground. Add the mixture into the bowl. I forgot my salt, so I'm going to add that in now. Half a cup of agave, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, mix well until all the oil and the agave is mixed. Once it's mixed well, you're going to roll it into a ball about as big as a meatball. Place it onto your cooking sheet. Press down with a fork and repeat until all the cookies are on the cooking sheet. Once you have all your cookies on the cooking sheet, freeze for an hour or overnight. The cookies have been in the freezer for an hour. They're soft and ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Come back for another video. Please subscribe.